All right, so we are going to continue on with doing some of these problems. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide this, but we're actually going to split these up so that we can divide this a lot easier. You could do it the same way that I did it on the front side, but I really would like to see you guys separate out the number that is being divided so that it's something that we can see a little bit easier. So on this one, I've got 12,000 divided by 30. They took the 30 and they made it into a divided by 10 and a divided by 3 because I've got 3 tens. So then I could take 1,200 divided by 3. Well, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then I've got my 2 zeros here that I would add those 2 zeros onto here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I've got 12,000. And this time I'm going to divide it by 100 and then I'm going to divide it by 3. So I basically need to do this step first and then I can come here. So if I have 12,000 divided by 100, I'm going to have 120. Divide that by 3. Well, 12 divided by 3 is 4 and it's tens, so this answer is 40. All right. 12,000 divided by 3,000. So I've got 12,000 divided by 1,000. And then I'm going to divide it by 3. So I can take off these 3 zeros. 12 divided by 1 is 12. I'm going to divide it by 3. My answer is 4. Okay, so same thing down here. I'm going to do 560,000 divided by 10 first, and then I'm going to divide it by 7. So I'm going to get rid of that 10, and I'm going to have 56,000 now, and I'm going to divide it by 7. So 56 divided by 7 is going to give me 8. And then I've got 1,000. So the answer is 8,000. I'm going to do the same thing. I've got 560,000 divided by 700. Oh, I'm not going to rewrite that because it's already up there. I am going to divide it by 100 and then divide it by 7. I was going to rewrite that, guys, and I don't need to waste my time rewriting that. So I can knock off these zeros, and so what I have left is 5,600. I'm going to divide it by 7. Well, 56 divided by 7 is 8, and then it's 100, 800. Same thing again, 560,000. Then I'm going to take 7,000, and I'm going to make it into at 1,000, but then divide it by 7. So knock off those 3 zeros. I have 560 divided by 7. So 56 divided by 7 is 8, and it's tens, so I've got 80 as my answer. Last couple ones, and then we do have some word problems, but pretty simple as we're going through. I've got 28,000 divided by 10 divided by 4. Knock off that 1 zero. I have 2,800 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 700, so 700 is my answer. Ooh, these ones are changing. They're not going to be the same. 450,000 divided by 100 divided by 5. Cross off those zeros. I've got 4,500. I'm going to divide it by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9, and then I've got 100, 900. Now I'm going to do 810,000 divided by 1,000 divided by 9. 0 there. Cross off my 3 zeros. I have 810 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 10. My answer is 90. Okay. Now some of you guys are like, well, can I just go ahead and knock off these zeros up here? You could, to skip that part, rewriting that, and then you know you have 810 divided by 9 and you would get 90.